Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and enjoying your day so far. And if you're new, my name is Shule. I hope you like today's video and join to my YouTube family for relaxing and inspirational videos. I will be uploading my bedroom tour soon, but I'm going for darker colors this time. I made this beautiful floral arrangement and I'm going to show you 3 different styling of my bedroom dresser. Probably some of you recognize this beautiful cake stand that I'm going to be using it as perfume stand, and I replaced the bird underneath with a beautiful flower. I like to surround myself with positive affirmations, especially first thing in the morning, and this one is coordinating perfectly with the lamp that I bought from HomeSense. On the other side of the dresser, I'm using these gorgeous purple glass bottles that I bought from HomeSense many years ago. So this is style number 1. Hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss my bedroom tour video. Pink crystal bottle is from a local charity shop and it was only £5, and the clear one is from Home Goods and I paid $10 for it. I tweaked for style number 2, and this beautiful candle holder is from HomeSense and it was $6.99 and it was a recent purchase. For this style, I replaced the perfume stand with this little vanity tray from where else? Of course, HomeSense. For style number 3, I'm using another DIY project that I created during winter months. I used chocolate box to create this trash to treasure, and this is definitely one of my favorite DIYs that I made in this channel. It is super glam, looks very high-end, and it didn't cost me much as I used chocolate box. On the other side, I'm using this pink tray that I bought from Glam. Before I ask you my usual question, I just want to say I really enjoy decorating my dresser, and I have many videos on my channel, so I went ahead and created a playlist for you to enjoy. So, was it number 1, 2, or style number 3 stole your heart? Don't forget to leave me a comment, please. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video in the playlist. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.